Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to set shipping charges for specific product in WooCommerce WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, go to your WooCommerce on the left side of the menu and click on settings. Once you are here, click on shipping at the top and you will end up over here. But the first thing you need to do, click on classes over here and click on add shipping class. We are going to create a class for our shipping right now. So I'm going to create the name also over here. So I'm going to write shipping charges and you can write slug and description also. Once you create that, go to your shipping zone again, click on add shipping zone. After that, you will end up over here. Here you just need to name your zone name. First of all, I'm going to write for this today shipping charges. After that, you need to click on add shipping method. Once you click on that, we have free shipping, flat rate and local pickup. We can go flat rate also. So I'm going with this one. And as you can see, the name suggests local pickup and free shipping will cost free shipping and local pickup would be that people will come in and pick it up by itself. But for shipping method, obviously we are going with the flat rate. Click on continue and here you are going to name your shipping method name. So I'm going to write again shipping charges. Here tax status would be taxable or none. I'm going with the taxable. Cost, I'm going with the 15 and here you can select the class cost of the shipping also. Once you create your shipping method over here, go to products now and click on edit, whichever the specific product you are going to add that. So I'm going with the first one over here and you will end up over here. Scroll down until you see shipping in product data. Click on that and we have shipping class option over here. You can select that shipping charges which we have recently created. Once you click on that, click on update on the right. Make sure to do that. Once you do that, click on preview changes so you can see how it looks like. So this is where I have added and I'm going to select the color and click on add to cart. So once you are here, you can see that we have recently created the shipping charges. As you can see, it will pop up over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to set shipping charges for specific product in WooCommerce WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.